All right, guys. So let's talk about the latest and greatest with crypto and the fear surrounding the U.S. Iran conflict is definitely weighing on the market today. I got a few things that I need you to be aware of as it impacts your crypto. So thanks for giving me a few minutes. I promise I will not waste it. Number one, the fear and greed index continues to slip. Yesterday we were at a 30, you can see right here, and today we're at a 27. So we continue to see this weigh down factor, weighing down of the market, and I don't think it's going to end anytime soon. So we've got Bitcoin back pretty handily below 70,000. So we're at 68.7. If we take a look, the low for Bitcoin has been 68.1, so it's bounced back off of that just a little bit. Ethereum, everything following suit, everything down 2-3+%. We can see that playing out. So as we continue to kind of look at the U.S. Iran conflict, that is going to continue to weigh on the market. Primary reason I think we're down is escalating U.S. Iran tensions triggered by broad risk asset sell off. So I think we'll see this plague the stock market tomorrow when it opens, and I'll be looking at the futures tonight, the stock futures, to see how that looks. But this is really front and center right here. I think that this particular news story is really representative of what we're seeing. So right here, Iran warns of strikes against U.S. after Trump slaps regime with ultimatum over key oil rate. We continue to see the bombing play out, but it's just every single day it continues to be a scenario. We're in this 3 weeks of this conflict, and we see how this is playing out. Okay, and so I think that this again is the prevalent theme for what we're seeing, and I think it's not going to end anytime soon, guys. Okay, and remember, I've been talking to you about this not to be kind of a doom and gloom guy, because I am not that. But remember, I've talked to you guys about this, that yes, there is the conflict, but there's also the ripple effect of trade and its impact on the global financial stage. But more importantly, inside of that trade is oil, and oil production has been dramatically impacted. The Strait of Hormuz has been closed. Essentially, 20% of the world's global oil flows through that, that waterway. And you've got countries like UAE, other ones, Saudi Arabia, that have been pulled in one way or the other because of strikes from Iran, where they have sent missiles their way, and all of that bringing it back to oil as its impact on kind of the global financial stage, and ultimately the ripple down effect of impacting crypto and creating a environment of uncertainty and worry and tension